Question number 16a. On the same axis, sketch the graph of this. So we expand this one. Okay. Then we have the y equal to 6x squared minus x cubed. So the a is negative value. So the graph will look like this, something like this. Okay, go downward at the end. Okay, so we have the x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. When y equal to 0, then we have the 0 equal to x squared times 6 minus x. Then we have the x equal to 0 and x equal to 6. Okay, um, we know that the x squared is always greater than or equal to 0, and 6 minus x greater than 0 when the 6 is greater than x, that is x less than 6. So when x less than 6, it is positive. 6 is here. Okay, so the graph, it will pass through the 0 0 6 0, and then the shape is like this. So this one will be something like this. Okay. Okay. Next we have the y equal to 16x minus 4x squared. Okay. So the a is negative 4. So the graph is look like this. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and then y equal to 0, then we have the 4x 4 minus x, 0 equal to 4x 4 minus x. So x equal to 0, x equal to 4. Okay, so this one is 0 and 4 here. Okay, so we combine these two graphs. So the graph will look like this. Okay, so we will have this one and this one. Okay, so the 0 4 will be something like this. 0 here and 4 is here. And then we have a 6 is here. Okay, so we have a 6 here. Okay, then the graph is look like this. So go downward. Okay, we can use Desmos to check the answer. So we have the x squared 6 minus x. So we have the x squared and then 6 minus x. And then we have the 4x 4 minus x. So 4x 4 minus x. So this is how the graph look like. Okay. So this is how the graph look like. Okay. So, well, okay. No. So this 0 0 and 2 16 is the intersection point between these two graphs. So the graph will look like this. Okay. Uh, B, we need to use the algebra to find the coordinate of the point where the graph intersect. Okay, so B here, we have this Y here, and then we also have this Y here. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we sub 1 into 2. Then we have the 6x squared minus x cubed equal to 16x minus 4x squared. All move to one side. Then we have the x cubed minus 4 minus the 6, then is minus 10x plus 16x equal to 0, x squared. So we can do the factorization. Okay, we can factorize the x here. So we have the x squared minus 10x plus 16 equal to 0. And this one equal to 0, x 2 times 8, 16 minus, so x equal to 0, x equal to 2, and x equal to 8. Okay, we can sub x into the equation number 2 will be easier. So y will be uh, 16 times 0, then it is 0 minus 0, so it's 0. So the y is 16 times 2 minus 4 times 2 squared. Okay, so 32, okay, wait, so we have 32 minus 16 is 16. So when x equal to 8, then uh, when x equal to 8, then y equal to 16 times 8 minus 4, 8 square. Okay, so we have the 16x minus 4x square. So we substitute with the 8 here. Then we have negative 1 to 8. So the point will be 0, 0, 2, 16, and 8, negative 1 to 8. Okay, so we look at the graph. Actually, they intersect at the point here. Okay, when we zoom out, then we will see actually they intersect at 2 points. So for this one, actually I can have the x-axis from the negative 5 until 10 here. Okay, then the graph is clearer. So it's 0, 0, 2, 16, and the 8, 1, 2, 8 here. Okay, so this is how the graph look like. And this is the solution. Yep. Okay.